Hey guys, getting ready to head out the door here real quick, but before I go, I got a big announcement, and man, I'm excited for it, and I can't wait to tell you. All right, so stay tuned. Coming up. Hi everybody, Mike Bishop for Tactical POV. Hey, the announcement that I have, guys, is that I'm finally putting the pieces together to go live on my YouTube channel, and you'll also be able to see me simultaneously go live on my Facebook page along with my Twitter page too, via Periscope. So, guys, it's been a long time coming. This is something I've been wanting to add to my channel and my business and what I want to do, and I'm finally getting the pieces together to get it done. So make sure, guys, that you tune in. Make sure that you sign into my email, because it's easier for me to send out a mass email to you and let you know when the scheduled show is going to be. It's easier to get in touch with you that way. You can also follow me on Facebook too, and I'll put the post up for that, so when it's coming up, so you'll get notifications as well. I'll also put it up on YouTube, the comment section in that too, also to put that out there to you so you can see when it's going to be. It's going to be scheduled when it's coming up. Most likely it's going to be on Sundays in the evening, sometime in the evening. It's when I have the most optimum free time to actually get something like this done here. And with that being said, also with this too, I'm going to have a bunch of friends of mine too and other people involved in it. Also, not just a bunch of meathead guys talking about, you know, the Second Amendment and guns and tactics and stuff. I'm also going to have some women involved too that are really good friends of mine that are into the same thing, and also explain how they feel, what they carry as civilians, and their opinion also. So for you ladies too, when you tune in, make sure you tune in to see that also, to see some other women talk about it and give theirs, and you'll be able to make comments and everything else like that, you know, to engage with me, and we can read some off here, and I can find out what's on your mind, what you think. Hope you enjoy it. You know, the first one's coming up here soon, very, very soon. So, and of course, it's going to be a trial run with the first one, you know, because making sure everything is okay and see what works and what doesn't work. So that's also coming. So like I said, tuning in soon. Tactical POV live will be coming up here very soon. Stay tuned. I'll keep you posted when it's going to happen here. It's going to happen pretty quick. So make sure you tune in. Always make sure to remember that I say, as usual, being armed is a mindset, not just a physical condition.